Mga Igso-on, kapatid, brothers and sisters. Dito ako ngayon sa labas. I'm here outside and doing some vacuums here. Yeah. Magbabacuum kami karon sa sasakyan dahil napaka-alikabok. It's dusty, too much dust. And first things first. I found 10 cents here. See? Ito kung babakyong natin dyan loob. Alright, then how's that? Only what?
2:40.
5 minutes. Alright, sige. This is a gasoline station actually, and that's our main road, Waterga Street or Avenue. Yeah, so this is the neighborhood side close to my place, and there's also car wash here, and here's the vacuum. There we go. Ooh. Eh, tanong dito ba? Kung kusog ba? Yep. Wow. Okay, pasa dito. Ate. Second row. The second row. Here. Buhay natin. This is our life here in America. Self-vacuum. Self-service and gasoline refueling. Here ate. Yep. Nating katulong dito. We don't have any helper at all. Once the summer, now we have to vacuum it. Yeah, this is our... What? Oh, yeah. Ito mga nabubot natin. Ito yung mga bags pag mag-grocery. Dahil sa ano, ito yung bag. Dahil pag may bayad ng bag kasi sa ano, sa ano. Okay. Looks good, I believe. Okay, meron din nag-refuel dyan. Alright guys, see you next. Igso-on, brothers and sisters, mga kapatid. Katapos lang namin nag-hawas dito pa sa bangko. magbayad sa utang bills. And here the parking. And there's a parking lot side there. That. Ano na dito? Yung mga tindahan ng Golden One, Wells Fargo, Naisipway. Yeah. So yung the main road, that's the main road there. Going to your left is going up Freeway 80 West and 80 East. Bank. I don't know if yeah, done. Alright guys, we're going now. Bye. Okay, brothers and sisters, mga Igso-on, kapatid. Okay, we're here sa mother's work. Here, this is a facility. They call it American River Center. Karon sa parking. Ito lang natin ang parking. Then ako sa side. Sige, ito sa sulod na importante kayo about the work. Kaya, kalsada din na. Parking. So, itong gawason. Yeah. Okay. No parking na nakabutang dito. No parking violation. Patay taan eh. Yeah, delivery pagkaon na siguro maybe they have the party inside. That is, yeah, order food or the hot dog burgers. Bang. Yeah. Parking. This is the facility. Here's the alright guys.